Good evening, guys. We already know about the quadratic equation. Quadratic equation is nothing but the equation power should be 2. Okay, that's one is given in the definitions. If they are asking quadratic expression mean an expression of a degree should be 2 is a quadratic expression is expressed like this: p of x equal to polynomial equation. Okay, so a is not equal to 0, a is not equal to 0 because I need x square. That is the reference of your quadratic equation. That's why it's not equal to 0. A and b and c are the real numbers, some numbers, that's it, constants. So 0 of the quadratic equation means, so substituting some value, that polynomial equation becomes a 0. For example, I am substituting minus 2, find I am getting my answer is 0. That is 0 of the quadratic equation. That means expression or equation, whatever it is. The root of the quadratic equation is nothing but, if having struggled to find out your factorization means, you can use this method to find out your roots. That formula is a very important formula. It will be used in the higher classes in UG level also. So x equal to minus b plus or minus the root of b square minus 4ac division of 2a. So a is a coefficient of x square, b is a coefficient of x, c is a constant. Okay, that's it. Then how can I write plus and minus, right? So plus is, so up to this is a one root, and up to this is another root. That's one is I am differentiate. I am having a two roots from this. Okay, the formation of the quadratic equations, how it is formed. The quadratic equation normally x square minus sum of the root. Okay, definitely the quadratic equation having the two roots. So sum of the x square minus sum of the root into x plus product of the root equal to 0. We already know about this, right? So sum of the root means I am taking alpha plus beta. My root name alpha, another root is a beta. So that's what they are telling is, if you are having a difficult to find out your sum of the root, product of the root means, I can use this method, minus b by a. Minus b means we already know, right? This is your b, this is your a, this is a constant. So b is what? So minus of coefficient of x, division of coefficient of x square. That's the sum of the root. Product of the root was constant by first derivative, means coefficient of x square. Constant term by coefficient of x square. This is a basic concept of this topic. Okay, I already written. You already know about this sum very well. That's why I directly written the answer. It's a very easy topic. Determine that quadratic equation whose sum and product of the roots are. So sum and product of the roots means what? Alpha plus beta and alpha into beta. That's when we are going to they given by using this sum and product, we are going to determine the quadratic equation. So you know the alpha plus beta, alpha into beta means, you know the general equation is quadratic equation x square minus sum of the root x, product of the root. They already given the sum and product. That's what is given in the question. Okay, you understanding? I am writing this part. Okay, this only enough for your examination. So this is a sum of the root equal to minus 9. Product of the root is a 20. So we already know the general formula: x square minus sum of this value into x plus product of this value equal to 0. Equal to 0 is definitely given. Okay, quadratic equation. Okay, so what we have? X square plus 9x. So plus, minus into minus plus 20 equal to 0. So I determined my quadratic equation, right? By using the same process I am determining. But in this place alpha plus beta equal to 5 by 3, the same process. So I am going to equating my denominator. So 3x square minus 5x plus, so it's multiplying 3 by 3. So 4 3s are 12 equal to 0. So this 3 is moving this place. So 3 into 0, 0. So finally I am getting a quadratic equation a square plus bx plus c. In that format I am having the same. Okay, taking a LCM, then move to the. So I already explained this. That's why I am directly written. In this place they given the equation like this. No need to expand this at all. So directly you can write, this is my sum of the element, this is my product of the element. In your examination you will write like this. Okay, I am directly alpha plus beta, I am written like this. So in examination you will properly write. So x square minus 2 minus a square into x. So sum of the minus sum of element plus product of element equal to 0, right? So that's one I am written in this place. Okay, that's it, this part. Then find the sum and product of the root. So in this place we are going to find sum and product. We already know what is the sum. So sum formula is minus b by a, product c by e, right? That's only they are asking. So if it is easy for find out this also okay by using the quadratic equation. They given the quadratic equation x square plus 3x minus 28 equals 0. For my convenience I am writing. This is a two process to write. So I can directly write in this place. Sum of this means obviously in this middle part. Product means obviously in this part, right? So that's why I am written like this. So the same purpose I am doing this two part. For in this sum I am having 10 by a square. So cross multiply because I know this a square should be in upper position, right? It's a quadratic equation. So cross multiplication, so division going this place, multiplication equal to 10. So multiply inside, so 3a square plus a square by a equal to 10. So this is cancelling, I am getting over a. So this 10 is moving this place, so minus 10 equal to 0. We already know sum is equal to minus b by a, minus b. B means what? B means the middle term. B means coefficient of x term, means coefficient of, in this place my coefficient is a x, right? Variable is a. So I am using a. So coefficient of a is a 1, means a, b, c, the same term. So if you are having a quadratic x square means that is a, this is a b, this is a c, obviously, right? So I am taking, so no need to change the signs. As usual you will put in this place, don't change the sign because Mrs. told is a negative sign indicating. Don't worry about this. What they given directly put in this place. If you're taking a, b, c, like we are having a two methods, okay? If you're doing this method means your quadratic should be, coefficient should be 1 only, you can do this method, okay? Are you clear? If your coefficient of x square is 1 only, you can directly write this is my sum of the root, okay? So otherwise you should follow this method, or because I'm having a 3a square, that's why I'm putting sum of the roots equal to my minus b by a. So coefficient of a by coefficient of the a square equal to minus 1 by 3. Okay. So product of means constant by first term, coefficient. Okay, 3y square minus y minus 4 equal to 0. So in this way my variable is a y, but it's a quadratic equation. So first element a equal to 3, b equal to minus 1, c equal to that element only. Okay, that element only, coefficients only I am taking. So minus 4. So sum of the you don't want, that's why I am once again I am writing. So coefficient of, in this place I am having a y. So y division of coefficient of the y square equal to minus b by a. So I am having minus into minus 1 by 3. So minus into minus plus 1 by 3. So c by a is nothing but constant by that term. That's it. Okay. And